Swivel the case door left or right to open and close the case. Removing the headset from the charging case turns on the headsets automatically. Insert and rotate earbud forward to secure fit into top of your ear. Single multifunction button on each side for easy operation. Press and hold left button to power on or off. Connect headphones to Bluetooth-enabled device by pressing and holding left button for 7 seconds. When pairing headphones, right earbud must remain in charging case. Press left button to cycle through noise-canceling modes. Press right button to control music. When an incoming call arrives, press right button to receive call. Press and hold right button to activate voice assist function. Insert earbuds hook first into charging case. Press down into place. Setting the headset into the charging case turns off headsets automatically. Then the red indicator lights up and charging starts.